Hi guys, my name is Shrikant Idam. Today I am going to show you how to replicate between buckets in different regions. It is called CRR, Cross Region Replication. Okay. Once you log in into your AWS console, click on Services. Under Storage, select S3. So here we are going to create two buckets in two different regions. Okay. So we are first what we will do is click on give a unique name 987. So the first bucket we are going to create in Asia Pacific Tokyo region. Create bucket. Great, we got our first bucket. Now create a second bucket. Unit this bucket I will going to create in here. So here we have our two buckets. Okay, if you want to perform replication from one region to another region, you need to enable versioning on both buckets, then only you can perform replication. Okay, once you click on your bucket, click on Management tab. Scroll down. Now here you can find replication rules. Create a replication rule. So which bucket is this? Unit 654. So it is in Ohio region, from Ohio to Tokyo. So you need to apply this rule to all the content in the bucket or individual files. We need this rule to be applied to all the bucket, to all the objects in the present inside the bucket. Choose a bucket in this account, or you want to choose a bucket in another account. We need a bucket in this account. Browse S3. We want to replicate to this 987 Tokyo region. Fine. Now it is giving you warning. The enable bucket versioning, it is disabled. You want to enable it or not? If you don't enable it, you cannot replicate. Click on enable. Okay, now you have to create a role. So I'm going to create a new role. Here you can find destination storage class, where you want to save the files. Currently let's do it on integer and tiring. Okay, you can select any one of them, but I'm selecting this one. These are additional options. Click on save. What it is telling you is the other bucket version is not enabled. You have to click on enable it. Now done. Click on save. So we got our first bucket created. Now click on unit 654. We have to, let's do one thing. Let's upload one file from here and see we are going to get that file in this bucket. This is a different bucket in different region. Okay, click on upload. We will upload any file. We will select bucket text. Okay, click on upload. Our file is uploaded. Sometimes it will take some time to replicate. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Now click on refresh. Let's see if this file is replicated to the other bucket. It's loading objects. Click on refresh. There we go. We got our first file. Now what if you want to upload a file from here to there to other bucket? Now click on upload. Click on add files. We will select this file, Linux key, upload. Do you think this file will be replicated to the first bucket? Click on replicate. Refresh. What do you say? It will be there? I think no. It is because the replication works in a way you have configured the settings to replicate from here to there, Ohio to Tokyo, not from Tokyo to Ohio. So if you want like that, you have to configure the same settings here as well. We click on the management, scroll down, click on replication rules from Tokyo to Ohio. Browse, select the bucket, choose, create a new role. Save. We'll just refresh. Okay, we are done with it. Close it. Come to your bucket. The second file will be not replicated. The settings, when you configure the replication setting, it will start for the new files. Okay, we are going to upload a new file. Click on add files. We will upload this one, version test. Okay, click on upload. Right. Close. Click on refresh. Click on refresh. So what do you think, this file is uploaded on the other bucket? Let's find out. Amazon S3. Oh, we got our file, version test. The test is successful. This way you can replicate your files from one bucket to other bucket which is present in different region. We are done with our test. Thank you for watching, guys. Meet you in next class.